Welcome to ZaraHatkeblog.com. So today's video, as you read from the tag, is basically my Nykaa beauty haul, which I did during the month of Navratri. And so I've done a little bit of shopping from other sites also. So let me just show you what I've shopped for myself. So this is one of the products. This looks very good with, and it will go with any outfit, Indian or Western. It's a hair, it's a hairpin. Let me know how did you like this product or not. This is the first time I've shopped for accessory on Nykaa, and let me show you. So I'll give you a first impressions of all the products. I've used them mostly, and in case you want a detailed review, let me know in the comment section below. I'll do a separate video for you for that particular product. This Roots and Herbs hair lace. So I have actually shopped a lot from Roots and Herbs. I actually believe in finding good quality natural products from, and it will not harm your skin. So I thought, why not try some more products from Roots and Herbs. I had tried their under oil Telum, which I got in my MyNV box, and it was pretty decent. So I thought, let me explore some more products. So this is a hair lip, and it's winter. I am having a huge problem of hair fall, and generally we try a lot of you can say dadima's nuskhas, but that's not working for my hair. So I thought, let me just try this hair lip. And it's basically, it has amla, hibiscus flower extract, grit kumari, and a lot of other herbal stuff is there, but largely it's the hibiscus, which is very good for your hair. A lot of oil based products which are there for your scalp and for your hair have hibiscus extract. So that's the reason I bought it. I used it just today, and this is how it looks from inside. This is how it looks. Okay, the smell is completely herbal. All right, and what you need to do is take the required quantity sufficient for your hair, mix it with egg or coconut milk. Since I'm a vegetarian, I don't eat eggs. I bought coconut milk for myself, and I mixed it up, made a mask, and you have to leave that mask on your hair for 35 to 40 minutes. And once you apply, your hair will feel, keep it for 35-40 minutes, rinse it off well. What I did was, I used a shampoo after this, so that whatever dirt and all is there, and I can remove the entire mask. My hair feels soft post the usage. They're less frizzy because I have extremely frizzy hair. As you can see, they are wavy, but they are less frizzy today. And this is, I've just used it for the first time, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed for further usage. The second product which comes to my hand is another product from Roots and Herbs, which is Anantmool Refreshing Lip. It is basically for your face, so you can mix it with water or milk, and on a daily basis, if you want to use this product, I suggest you can go with either rose water or normal water as well. I'm using normal water, and it gives me, a lot of times I use besan and haldi on my face instead of using a face wash. And what best of using a lip, a face completely face wash made of natural products. It has Anantmool, kapoor, velvetia root extract, avla, rose, orange peel, a lot of herbal products. And I have a very sensitive skin, so when I used it, I felt a bit refreshed. And I have used it 2-3 times. Touch wood, there is no skin allergy as such, and you'll feel clean from inside. So in case, you can use it alternatively with, as I suggested, with water, rose water or milk. And this is a good herbal everyday face wash. Product which comes in my hand is Panchmeva skin polishing. Generally, for wedding season or for Diwali season, a lot of us use Uptan. I don't know how many of you guys use it, but a lot of Indian families use Uptan, and this is a very high version of Uptan, I can say. It has anjeer powder, almond powder, draksh, ashwagandha, walnut, rose flower, jaifal. Again, a mix of lot of natural products. When you use it on your skin, I use it along with the lip, and you can use it, they say you can use it 4 to 5 times a week. I mean, even if you use it 2 to 3 times a week, it's good to go. But I feel natural products are very good for your skin. They don't they're gentle on your skin, at the same time they are very effective. You should keep on scrubbing, is very essential for your skin to remove the dead cells, and using a good quality lape like this will surely, you'll glow anytime for any occasion. The other product is a simple, I just want to have a good scrub for my face. I was looking for it for since a long time, and I saw some good reviews on Nykaa for VLCC this rose scrub. It says skin defense, exfoliates dead cells and gives a smooth skin. My first impression of this product is not very high. I'm a rose fanatic, you can say. I just love rose, everything associated with rose. But this has a mild rose fragrance, but then it's not completely rose fragrance, I can say. And it has, if you can see, it has the granules are there, but it's not, I mean, it's gentle on your skin, so it's a good everyday scrub. But sometimes when you need that proper scrubbing to remove, when you want you can say a strong scrub, this is not a very strong scrub, this is a gentle scrub. So in case you're looking for a gentle scrub, this is a very good product. I was actually looking for a strong scrub, so that's the reason it didn't meet my expectations. But for an everyday usage, it's pretty good and worth the price. 180 rupees for this complete full size product. I ordered is something for my hair again. So obviously after applying the hair lape, I need a good shampoo. So I thought, let me try this Tresemme Detox and Restore range. So it has ginseng and neem. It's a mild shampoo, completely transparent. As you can see, it's transparent, and generally they say that transparent shampoos are much better than your normal shampoo. I don't want to put any of my verdict. I like this shampoo. It's very mild, very nice, gentle on my hair. So that's the reason I gave it a try, and I quite like the product. This product is from Innisfree. It's a Super Volcanic Pro Clay Mask. Honestly, so many YouTubers have given good feedback for this product, is because that's the only reason I've purchased it. This is the only product which I've not tried since I've purchased, and I will share my reviews. In case you want a detailed review of any of the products, please just mention the product name. I'll try to either do a separate mention, do you want a blog post or a YouTube video, so I'll do that accordingly. But this is how the product looks. It's a full size jar, quite expensive, but then this is how it looks. And the clay mask suits my skin a lot. That's the reason I was more excited to try this product also. So keep watching my space to know how effective is this product on my skin. Free with my this is a small travel kit which I got free with my pore mask, and it has a small cleanser, toner, and a small amount one-time use pack of the same mask. So whenever I'm traveling, I just need to put this in my luggage, and I'm good to go. Next product which comes into my hand is this Roots and Herb, again activator. This is basically for their masks, wherein you can use this product and use after cleansing. Take required quantity and mix with the Ashwagandha Skin Illuminating Face Upton to make a smooth face. So Skin Upton is basically like your skin mask. You can, instead of using rose water or anything, you can use this activator. And again, this is one product which I have not used, but I plan to use it with the lape as a mask on my face. So I use a lape with water as my daily face wash, and when I use this with the activator, I can keep it for a long time and use it as a mask. So I'm trying to multifunction. I have been hearing a lot about the Monsa masks, and I've got these two sheet masks. One is the Collagen Skin Mask series, and the other one is from other one has Witch Hazel Lavender with CoQ10, and I'm waiting to try this. I'm looking forward. I've heard such great reviews for the Monsa mask, and I've got 3 now, one in my Glamigo box. So let's see how it works for me on my skin. Other 2 products which I've tried recently is the Seer Secrets Deep Moisturizing Deep Moisture Replenishing Bath and Shower Oil. This is in the rose fragrance, and trust me, the fragrance is just amazing. I have used post shower gels, but this really works on your skin, so I'm pretty impressed with this product. I hope you've checked my Instagram review. If not, you check the detailed review there also, but must buy. The next is this 5 mint spice heat absorbing body mist. This was something which was very unique, so I got it for myself, and this is again a very decent product. So when you spray, it's like an oil, it's not like a deodorant, although it's a body mist. You will get that cooling effect on your skin, and frankly, in the Bombay season, it really worked well for me. I've got from Fuchsia. This is a crystal rose bath salt. This is the sandal and saffron mask, and this is the activated charcoal mask. I have used both these masks, and I have used a lot of Fuchsia products, and you can check the reviews of those products on my blog. I have actually used their activated charcoal body scrub as well, which is a very good product. Similarly, this mask is very good and works really well. Your face feels deep cleaned after usage. The only thing which I have not liked about this product, and the same thing I don't like about the body scrub also, is this fragrance. It's too strong for me. It's just my problem. Honestly, the product is very good, just the fragrance I didn't like. The next product is this sandal and saffron mask. Again, a very, very good product, and works very well for my skin. I really liked it, and you can use it once a week and you're good to go. Natural product, has all natural ingredients. So Fuchsia products, I've tried, everything is natural, paraben free, affordable, and they have your good skincare range, they have good facial range, so pretty good. I'm pretty happy with their products. So one more product in the kitty, but not the least, this is a Forest Essentials product. I have actually used this multiple times, then I've just refilled, or you can say repurchased this product, because as you know, I'm a rose fanatic. I've already told you so many times in the video, and I just love the fragrance of this shower gel. It's just mesmerizing. It's a great product to use, so I've just refilled this. I bought this from Amazon. So I hope you've liked my today's beauty haul from Nykaa and the little bit small tiny bits from other websites. And in case you do like, please comment, share this video with your friends and family. And if you want a detailed review, I'm going to watch the comment section below to know what video to make next.